Greetings, everyone. This is Elizabeth. Thank you for joining me today. We get to play with some items that will be available in the March Crafty Crew Kit. Now, you can pre-order the March kit right now. You can pre-order now until February 15th. Ignore those three fingers. They're fibbing to you. February 15th. That's the deadline. Okay. And then if you want to buy just the stamps or just the papers, you're going to have to wait like 6 months, because that's the perk of getting the kit is you get it before, you know, the rest of the crafty community. And then in 6 months they'll be released individually if you prefer that, but you gotta wait. But you don't have to wait if you get the kit. But you can purchase a one-time kit, or you can set up an auto ship and you'll get a kit every 2 months. So if you set up for auto ship in January, you got your January box, you're automatically going to get your March box, March, April, May, June, July, you know, every other one. But this one is super cute. This kit has crafty friends, which we're playing with, crafty mice, crafty time paper, which I have these 2 sheets from, and the bubble wheel stencil. And also the SVGs that go for this. And I didn't use my SVG. I did fussy cutting. Because, yeah, I even fussy cutted that little painty brush. I mean, look how cute. And I borrowed the sentiment from the Crafty Mice. But, yes, let's get going. I wanted to try something a little bit different today. And I'm hoping it'll work. I'm hoping, we'll cross our fingers. But as I'm looking around, I realized I did not grab a card base. Please hold. All right. We have the card base. Woohoo! So I chose the like Scan and Cut Brothers, you know, the digital cutting machine paper. And look at how adorable this is. This is the glue gun paper. But I had to slice up my glue gun paper because, well, wait till you see. And then I cut my cutter paper down to 4 by 5 5 1/4, 4 by 5 1/4, and then that leaves me a nice little border for there. And we're not going to glue that down because we're going to have some hangover pieces that we need to deal with. Are you ready for these hangover pieces? Pardon me. I'm trying to get over a cold or whatever I had. It was yucky, you guys. It was so yucky. But I cut out some diamonds. These are diamonds. They're diamonds. And I have several kinds of diamonds. And I picked a diamond that had a fun, I don't know where I'm going with these. I had thought this out a little bit beforehand. I knew I wanted to use my diamonds, but I wanted to use them in a unique way, right? So we're turning them on their side to be like so. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's better. I like that. Okay. I think we'll pull this one down just a little bit so it hangs off here. And we'll give these guys a little bit more room, and then we'll be able to see some of our little Scan and Cuts in there. And then we'll just trim off of those, right? Yes. Yes, 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 yes. And then my diamonds have a little scallopy insert. So that's what I did. So I'm gonna glue all these little guys together, but this is basically how this is gonna look. So when we go to glue these diamonds together, we definitely want to make sure, I didn't have enough paper, and I didn't want to cut into my paper, and I knew we would have some hang off, right? Oh, that's hanging off the wrong way. No! Yes. No, we can fix this. We need it to hang off this way. which this one hangs off of this one, right? Vacate. So this one hangs off of this one. It, you guys, it's still backwards. What the heckin'? Okay, this paper, that diamond needs to go like that in order for us to use it. That's not going to work. Vamoose! How about this one? This one will work right there. See, we got one of them to work. But I think it'll be okay, honestly, because we're going to have some cut off areas. If I have to cut into another piece of paper, I will. But, oh no, I don't need to because I had 8 full ones in my partial. Look at us having the right amount of diamonds. So you have until March 3rd to pre-order your kits. And then they will ship out on the 15th, I do believe. Don't quote me. I forgot to look to see exactly when they ship out. But I think I'm looking through the website. The website has a lot of information. So, oh, it's, no, okay. Last day to order March kit. I lied, you guys. Backtrack. I don't know why I said that. March 3rd. Okay, March 3rd is shipping. Shipping, Elizabeth. Shipping. Okay, we'll do that. Shipping until, or March 3rd shipping. Pre-order now until February 15th. February 15th is the last day for pre-orders. Okay, which makes sense. She needs time to put those orders in. Duh. But yeah, don't mind me. Last day to pre-order is the 15th. Then they ship out on the 3rd. Okay, you get to earn points on your purchase too. And like I said, you can do a one-time purchase or set up for auto, which ships out every 2 months. So January was a great kit. If you guys missed it, there's some videos on the channel. Link is in the description. And if you go to Crafty Stamp Co.'s YouTube, they have a playlist as well. You guys, there's lots of inspo. Crafty Stamp Co. also has inspo for their other items that they sell. So if you've got some other goodies from them and you're wondering, needing some inspo, you can pop on over there. Now, for the diamonds, I didn't want them white. I don't want them white. I don't think I want them white. I don't know. At first I was thinking I didn't want them white. You know what? No, I don't want them white. I want them colored. I want colored little diamonds. So we're going to color our little diamonds. And we're going to do a orange blue pattern because that is our little dude Jay. He's our crafty friend Jay. He is also a design team member for Crafty Stamp Co. And he is our little crafty buddy today, Mr. J. And the lovely crafty princess right there is Meadow. But so these are the colors that I used to color his outfit. So we're going to make matchy paper. Haha, I know, right? We can do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward this part. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the broad end. I'm going to color enough for these guys to sit on. Then I'm going to glue everybody together. And then we'll be back to put this cuteness together. Okay? So let's start our Zoom. Ready. then and you could totally put your little diamonds on the proper way. You could layer them up and just do some cute little, that's my little half a diamond. You go down here. You know, that's the great thing about shapes, right? You could just layer them up just to give some texture or a platform for your ephemera, which we have created. So that would be super cute, just to layer up a bunch of little diamonds for our little Jay to sit on. It's kind of cute. But we're definitely gonna go my route, which is make sure my diamonds are going the right way so that that one fits, right? We need that one that one to fit. So we're gonna do some auditioning to make sure we've got this going the right way, because we do want some of our little cutting machines to show through. And we're gonna do those and those and those, which is fabulous. We're gonna bring this down. We're gonna cut a little bit off of those ones so that we don't have to cut off so much on those ones, I think. Oh, just I'm glad I colored those. Those are nice and bright now. I really like that. So it looks like that's about where that one's gonna start, and then we'll go from there and kind of layer everybody out. So I'm gonna start in this corner, give us ourselves a starting point. Like so. And if we get glue where we don't want it, we'll just rub it off. And then we're gonna do this guy, right? I don't have to go all the way to the top because it's gonna get chopped off. And I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm just gonna eyeball our line. You could totally put down a ruler and make perfection, but no, not for me. Perfection is not, nope. I do not strive for perfection. But there's that. And then we're going to put that one there. Again, just trying to figure out where my glue's going. Sometimes I have to look 2 or 3 times, be like, wait, where am I putting that glue? Sometimes I still fail at it. Like, what was I thinking? I have no clue. And then we're going to put you right there. That's not too bad. That's not too bad, I don't think. Kind of looks nice. And then you go in there. You go. Look at this. What do you guys think? Are you gonna pull out your shapes and try something like this? And they don't have to be scallopy edges. Mine just happen to because of the set that I have. But by all means, yours doesn't have to have scallopies. It could just be a diamond and it would still look cute. I like using pattern papers to like loading them up. I think this one looks good. Okay, and look at, yay! Well, it might be a little off. Nope, ha 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 ha! Look at that. We'll be able to cut that one, and it will be perfect. I like it. It's kind of kooky, I know, but we'll trim it down, and it will look fabulous. So we're gonna grab our big chomping scissors. Ugh. Cutting through a couple of layers of paper there. There we go. This one doesn't have very much to chop off. Look at us go. You could totally set this in your chop trimmers or your slidey trimmers. I'm just using my scissors today because they were handy. Get it? Handy? Ha ha. No. Sometimes, right? Oh no. Okay, I got glue everywhere, but that's okay. And now we're gonna make sure. And I like this because it kind of makes it non-directional. This paper, I don't know, because the dots are there, like, so. To me, the paper looks non-directional. Aside from, you know, you can't, well, you can put it that way, but we're not. We're doing it this way. This way. Look it. And so we've made our own coordinating cardstock so that our bright Mr. Jay's outfit pops right off of there. Look at that. Now, I do want to tell you guys, okay, when I fussy cut him out, even if you die cut him, or sorry, the SVG, if you do the SVG stamp, and then what you're going to do is you're just want to take your little scissors and just nibble around his fingers, okay? And then if you have this little guy, you're just going to take your, it's a little tricky, but you're going to take your little scissors and cut in a little bit into that white area, okay? Because you want to be able to slide it into his fingers. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue on his fingers right there, okay? And then that part that we cut the white off of, I know you don't want to work for me, but I'd appreciate it if you did. My fingers are like extra shaky this week. Okay. And we'll hold. press and hold. But there it is. Now he's got his fingers on the outside of the brush. You could totally just lay your brush right on top. Totally. But no. We have to go extra. We have to do the extra mile. And you can either pop him up or leave him flat. I'm going to leave him flat. Put a little glue on that paintbrush of his. We're going to do this. That way there, this will be easy to mail. And then, like I said, we stole the You Inspire Me from the Crafty Mice. If you want to see some crafty mice, just come back and visit me on my next Crafty Stamp Co. video, because I will be using those little mice. And then there's that. You Inspire Me. Oh, isn't he cute? I love the little peoples. They're so adorable. I mean, look at her. She looks so cheery and happy. And I totally made his, I don't know if they're shoes, but I made them into socks. His socks matchy. I just feel, I don't know, sometimes we need to go matchy. But this is our card for today. I hope it inspires you to get crafty and take a look at the kit for March, the Crafty Crew Kit. Pre-orders are from now until February 15th, 2025. They will ship March 3rd, 2025, and then you can craft along. You'll get your box, and you can cut your papers, and you can make one too. Anyways, thank you so much for joining us today, and we will see you next time right here. Have a great day. Bye-bye.